What's up everyone? Sunny Trainer Mara here, coming at you with a 10-minute beginner dance workout. Get ready for this high energy routine that we're gonna be learning today. It's gonna be fast paced because we don't have a ton of time with it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell for more Sunny workouts as well. Let's get into it. All right, everyone, we're gonna get started right away with our warm up. We're gonna start feet nice and wide, slight turn out with the toes. Bend the legs, take the arms up. As you're on the way up, bend the legs, bring the arms together. Feel free to take it as small as you need to with that range of motion in the knees as you're getting warmed up here. The more reps you do, you can take it a little bit deeper into that plie. Awesome work, team. Off to a strong start here. And one more, bringing those arms together. We're just gonna step it out here. Step, touch. So staying light on those feet, just kind of finding that rhythm. Little swing in the arms. Nice work. You can move the upper body as you need to here. Bringing that heart rate up. Little bounce as we step. Last 10 here. Good, team. Now we're gonna step, big swoop behind with the arm. Shift the weight again, just going side to side. Opening up the shoulder, opening up the chest. Good, a couple more. And we double time, swoop, swoop. Nice work, team. One more each side and bring the feet together. We're gonna take it to some head rolls. Just trying to get through that full range here, stretching the neck in every direction. One more this way. And reverse opposite direction. Connecting to your breath, finding that core here as well to stabilize. And coming to center. All right, team, we're gonna get into it right away here, learning our first movement. So we're gonna stay light on the balls of the feet, just like we did in those step touches. We're gonna take a chassé. So with this, chassé out to the side, my left foot is knocking the right one out of the way. Step, then I'm gonna cross this leg behind, ball change. Again, stay light on the balls of your feet for this one. Same thing, other side, the feet touch in the air, cross it behind, ball change. Good, just join in as soon as you're ready. Just focus on getting the feet first. Once you feel good there, you can add in those arms open, and then they cross as the legs cross behind. Good, nice work. Ball, change, chassé, ball, change a little faster. Nice work, team, we're up to tempo here. One more each side. Last one here. All right, nice work, everybody. Next thing we're gonna learn, it's gonna be following through, same thing we were doing in the warm-up, just with that step touch. We're gonna just roll the arms towards you here, making two fists. So we're gonna do 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're gonna plant the weight on this foot, sitting into this hip. You're gonna roll the hands away from you for 4, and then roll them towards you for 4. That'll put you on the opposite leg. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, shift the weight, roll away from you for 4. Take it down for 4. Good, 1, 2, 3, 4. Away and towards you. Nice work. A few more seconds here. Awesome work, everybody. Okay, next movement we're gonna learn is our hip isolation box. So, plant the feet, little bend in the legs here. We're gonna go forward with the hips. Think of tilting your hips back this way. Then we're gonna take them to the side, really sitting into that hip. Stick the booty back, and then shift it into opposite hip. So forward, side, back, side. You can find that support with your core here. Back, side. Good, try it opposite way. Forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side. Good. When we're doing this all together in your routine, we're gonna alternate every time. So it'll go like this: forward, side, back, side, forward, back to where you just were, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side. So you always redirect after you go to the front, forward, side, back, side. Nice work, everybody. Okay, last one. This is gonna be kind of our trickiest movement. So standing, if you have a mat, make sure it's behind you. We're gonna take it all the way down to the floor, step behind you. This knee will meet the second knee, then step it up. And then staying a little bit low here, I'm gonna go and pull and pull. So my hand is really spread, palms facing away from me, and then I'm pulling that fist towards me to meet the knee. So again, we go down, down, up, up, and pull, and pull. And now I'm gonna start with my opposite leg. Down, down, up, up, and pull, and pull. Always alternating sides, and pull, and pull. I'm gonna show an option here. You can go front, front, back, back, and pull, and pull. If you're not quite ready to take it all the way to the floor, that'll be a great workout for you as well. All right, team. Quick 30 seconds to rest. Grab a sip of water if you need to. We're gonna put all of those together back to back. 30 seconds with each movement, putting it all together for a 2-minute dance. So again, quick refresher. We have chasse step ball change, going side to side. Then we have the step touch rolls for 4, up for 4, down for 4. It alternates sides every time. Following it up, we have the hip isolation box, and then we finish it with the kneel to stand, pull and pull. All right, let's get started here. Starting chasse step ball change in 3, 2, 1. Nice work, team, halfway through. One more each side. Step touch arm rolls coming up next. Step it out. 3, 4, up, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4. Good, one more each side. Last time. Hip isolation box is coming up next. Front, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Switching every time. Finding that bounce in the knees as well. Good, team, almost there. One more each direction. Good, take it down and up and pull, down, up and pull, good. Woo! Heart rates are up here. Almost to the end of our routine, keep moving. Nice work, finished out one more time. And pull, and pull. Woo, awesome work today, team. Shake it out. Coming up, we're gonna finish out one last time. A little bit shorter with each movement, about 4 counts of 8, so 15 seconds per movement. Get ready to finish it out on a high note. Deep breath in, exhale. Just show up, do whatever you can. Remember, always have that option on that last one. Forward, forward, back, back, and then just doing the pulse to stand. All right, team, let's get into it in 3, 2, and 1. One more each way. Step touch arm rolls coming up next. Nice work. Hip isolation box is next. Front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Good. One more each way. Take it down. Take it up and pull and pull. Down and up and pull and pull. One more each side. Up and pull and pull. Almost there. Finish strong. Pull and pull. Woo, all right, awesome work today, everybody. Again, my name is Sunny Trainer Mara. Go ahead, comment down below. Tell me one moment where you felt challenged, one moment where you felt really successful in this dance workout today. I'll catch you next time.